Day trading refers to the practice of buying and selling securities within the same trading day. While it can be a potentially lucrative strategy, day trading can also be risky and requires discipline, knowledge, and careful planning. Here are some steps to get started with day trading. 1. Learn the basics. Day trading requires a solid understanding of the stock market, financial instruments, and technical analysis. There are many resources available online, such as books, courses, and videos, that can help you learn the basics of day trading. 2. Develop a trading plan. Before you start day trading, you should develop a trading plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategies. This plan should include entry and exit points, stop-loss orders, and risk management techniques. 3. Choose a broker. You will need to select a broker that offers the trading platform and tools you need to execute your trading plan. Make sure to compare fees, commissions, and trading features before choosing a broker. 4. Practice with a demo account. Most brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get familiar with the trading platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. 5. Start with a small amount. When you start day trading, it is important to start with a small amount of capital. This will allow you to test your strategies and gain experience without risking too much money. 6. Monitor the markets. Day trading requires constant monitoring of the markets to identify trading opportunities and react quickly to changing conditions. Use technical indicators and news sources to stay informed about market trends. 7. Stick to your plan. It is essential to stick to your trading plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Remember that day trading requires discipline and patience. Keep in mind that day trading can be challenging and may not be suitable for everyone. Always do your research, manage your risks carefully, and be prepared to adapt your strategies to changing market conditions.